I'm a big fan of search, and I think a couple reasons why is it's one of the questions that I get asked so often is people are not able to find what they're looking for. And I think for small companies, it's not as big of a deal where you don't have as many teams in the environment, you don't have as many documents or messages going back and forth. But as you take advantage of teams in an enterprise, could potentially have thousands of teams set up, it does become more challenging to find information. So knowing how to leverage the search capabilities that Teams gives you for both messages and files is a really important aspect of being productive with Teams. So if we start with our up in our search bar and we basically just go attachment names and colon and Contoso and hit enter, it'll return back the results. So we've got two messages here, and what it's telling us is both of those have attachments in them that have Contoso in the name of the attachment. So there you can see the two messages. Now we can also add to that for by just doing an and saying, okay, I want to see messages that are also from Alex. So it basically do from as the property with a colon and Alex. And now it reduces the search results down to just messages that are from Alex that have has Contoso in the attachment name. That'll get those search results. Now, if we want to clear that out, we can try some other queries here and we can go look for files. So using author as Megan, you can see I'm not getting any messages back, but I will get back a significant number of files. So if I add that again and I add file name in there and Contoso, it'll reduce the search results down to just the files that were authored by Megan and have Contoso in the file name. So you can continue to build these queries this way, adding in the different values, and it just continues to refine the search results in here. So if I add last modified time greater than January 1st, of 2016, it's going to keep those two files in there. But if I change this now to 2018, you're going to see that both of those search results are going to be removed from the result set. So you can use this and just keep combining these and come out with a significant set of results.